Hey guys, today I would like to show you how to process vocals using BX Digital V3. I also have span open so we can see how bandwidth affects our processing. Let's listen to what we have for this demo.
Kuteskukukazi banominye song baka njenge-Paul thanda sikajol cha ngiyadlala ngizozisol intombi yabobol mema une-control.
I already identified some frequencies that I removed and a couple of spots that I would like boosted. So let's listen to what I've done here. The first thing I removed is a wide Q at 10K. Here is how it sounds like.
Kuteskukukazi banominye song baka njenge-Paul thanda sikajol.
Here is with a narrow bandwidth.
Kuteskukukazi banominye song baka njenge-Paul thanda sikajol.
I have boosted around 5.8K, couple of dBs. Let's listen to this.
Kuteskukukazi banominye song baka njenge-Paul thanda sikajol cha ngiyadlala ngizozisol intombi yabobol mema une-control.
Here it is with a wide Q.
Kuteskukukazi banominye song baka njenge-Paul thanda sikajol.
And then I removed a bit of 830 Hertz.
Kuteskukukazi banominye song baka njenge-Paul thanda sikajol cha.
Here it is with a wide Q.
Kuteskukukazi banominye song baka njenge-Paul thanda sikajol.
I'll also enable my high pass filter. So to recap, this is where we were.
Kuteskukukazi banominye song baka njenge-Paul thanda sikajol.
And this is where we are.
Kuteskukukazi banominye song baka njenge-Paul thanda sikajol cha ngiyadlala ngizozisol. Kuteskukukazi
Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.
Kuteskukukazi banominye song baka njenge-Paul thanda sikajol cha ngiyadlala ngizozisol.